So, hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. So, ngayong araw, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung dati kong notebook na ginamit years ago. So, 2021 pa yon. And hindi ko pa siya na-film. So, hindi ko pa napapakita yung decorations niya, yung color combination na dati kong ginagamit, and yung mga decorations na ginagamit ko. So, let's start with this first entry. So, this is yung unang entry na ginawa ko during that time. Nasa gitna na siya actually because I also used this nung second half ng 2020. So, hindi na to yung pinakaumpisang page. Dati, naalala ko, I used to buy stickers and yung mga post-its sa Shopee para gawing decorations. Dati din, gumagamit ako ng iba't ibang colors ng mga mild liner kasi madali silang dalhin and dual pointed na siya or dual tip na siya, sorry. Dual tip na siya. You can use the brush, pwede mong gamitin yung kabilang dulo to draw and to write mga letters. So, dati yun yung lagi kong ginagamit. Yung pen naman na ginagamit ko dati, I used to use yung mga gel pens kasi dati bumibili ako ng mga gel pens na Pilot and yun yung lagi kong ginagamit. So, ito, dati din, naalala ko, I used to include pictures of my favorite singers. So, this singer is Franz Wazordi. Dati nagpiprint ako ng maraming pictures niya, tapos ina-add kong decoration sa journal ko. I would cut the background, tapos ititira ko lang yung face niya or yung body niya, tapos yun yung ilalagay kong design. Parang meron akong ganun dito. I'll try to look later and then I'll talk about that. By the way, dati din, I used to write here discoveries na nahahanap ko sa internet. Halimbawa, may na-discover akong bagong album or may na-discover akong bagong website, ilalagay ko rin sila dito. Isusulat ko sila. So, ayan. As you can see, ang laki ng jump from January to May. Yung next entry ko ay from May 2021 na because I was busy with work that time. So, I did not have yung sobrang daming time para mag-decorate ng journal and maggawa ng journal entry at upuan ng mga bagay-bagay. Kaya malaki yung jump. So, dito, ganun din, kapag kami mga times na hindi ako nakakapag-journal, I try not to pressure myself na hala dapat may journal entry ako or hala dapat on track ako. Minsan hinahayaan ko lang din kasi feeling ko kapag mas pinipilit ko yung sarili kong gumawa ng journal entry, mas nagiging pangit yung output na nagagawa ko. So, I try to take things as they come when it comes to journaling and not to put too much pressure on myself. So, this one, I want to talk about this because this is a sticky note na ginawa ko and I decorated it myself. I remember back then I wanted to sell my own post-its but I was too shy to sell my designs because feeling ko hindi siya ganun kaganda and I also don't want to sell them because I don't know how to advertise and to market my product. So I just used yung ginawa ko for like the rest of that year and for the next year. For that next year or the year after. So 2021 to 2022, I used this post-it. Sorry. So minsan din, I get pictures of cute flowers and other stuff sa Pinterest when I used to have Pinterest. Now I don't have Pinterest account. But that's okay, actually. Hindi na rin naman ako masyado nagpiprint ng pictures ngayon. Pero before, when I used to print pictures, I get mine from Pinterest. By the way, yung iba na entries dito, as you can see, parang sobrang decorative na sila na these days parang, hala, bakit sobrang decorative nila? Bakit sobrang daming designs na overwhelmed na ako. Pero before, I used to really enjoy adding like drawings here. And dati ginagamit ko lang para mag-drawing ng mga iba't ibang shapes ay yung mild liner. Kasi nga ang daming kulay tapos madali lang siyang gamitin. So, ayan. So, these are pictures din na nakuha ko sa Pinterest. And this one are pictures from Lee Seung-gi's album. I like this mini album of Lee Seung-gi. It's called Forest. And he released this around 2012 to 2013. Mga ganong year. Tapos, release niya to during autumn. But wala namang autumn dito, pero I super, super enjoy this, lalo na pag umuulan. So, yan yung iba ko pang entries. As you can see, sometimes when I do my entries, I make sure na match yung yung colors ng mga pictures and ng mga pens na ginagamit ko. So, halimbawa dito, this is a dark blue picture. So, I used decorations na may dark blue like this one and then a dark blue pen. Ito yung mga stickers may dark blue din para maganda silang tignan. Ito naman, ayan. I like this entry because I like this picture. So this picture I kinuhaan ko before. I used to paint using acrylic and I really like the effect nung isang app sa camera ko dati and I printed the picture and I wanted to make sure na maganda din yung design. Yeah. So ito iba naman yung design niya kasi gusto ko mag-experiment ng vintage inspired. But as you can see, hindi nag-match yung washi tape dun sa overall design niya. But I like this one. It looks really clean. And feeling ko of all the decorations na napakita ko na at ipapakita ko pa sa succeeding pages, ito yung gagawin ko pa rin ngayon. So, ayan. So this is Han Yeoju, my favorite Korean actress. And I used to include pictures of her as well. Kasi may mga cute pictures siya. Tapos nagmamatch yung color ng pictures na sa decorations din. So when it comes to actually colors sa mga journals ko, yung magiging color scheme ng journal ko ay sinusunod ko based dun sa mga decorations na gagamitin ko. Halimbawa, pipili ako ng isang picture or isang item sa mga decorations and yun yung magiging center. And all the other colors dapat magmamatch dun sa color na yun. Halimbawa, dito sa design na to, ang pinaka center niya ay yung picture ni Han Yeoju. I wanted all the other elements dun sa journal entry to match the color of this picture. Kaya as you can see, yung mga pinili kong color ay malalapit dun sa picture niya. Kasi ito yung pinaka-center. So, dito ka nag-start ng pag-iisip kung anong magiging decorations ng aking entries. Ito naman, medyo ganun din dito. Pero hindi lang siya masyadong nag-match dito kasi wala akong sticker na malapit yung kulay dito. But, ito, I like this one kasi I made this during Bob Dylan's 80th birthday. Kasi noong 2021, BBC had series of programs related to Bob Dylan kasi he celebrated his 80th birthday. And one of the shows na nilabas nila during that time ay yung Dinner with Dylan. I remembered listening to that radio drama at 11 p.m. or 9 p.m. I can't remember the time, but it was evening. But yeah, so I really enjoyed that drama. And then, ito rin, as you can see, maliliit yung sulat ko dito. Kasi minsan, pag marami akong gustong sabihin, ay ayoko nang mag-jump sa next na page kasi feeling ko nawawala yung momentum. So, nililiitan ko yung sulat ko as much as possible or as little as possible. So, ayan din. So I remember this. I used to have a book and stationery goals because I used to overspend on stationery items and books. Now I was able to curb my stationery purchases but not the books. So that's something that I'm still working on. But I'm so glad that now I spend less on stationery because I feel like kung bibili pa rin ako ng stationery ngayon tapos hindi naman ako masyado nagsi-stationery, parang sayang naman. So yeah. Oh, this is the other design ng post-it na ginawa ko before. And tulad nung design na pinakita ko kanina, hindi ko rin siya binenta or hindi ko siya pinamigay whatsoever. I just used it for my own personal consumption. This one. This one pala, as you can see, the color of the texts are different because ito yung time na nag-start akong gumamit ng iba't ibang colors ng fountain pen inks. Dati kasi, I just used black and navy blue. Dalawa lang yung fountain pen inks na ginagamit ko most of the time. Pero, noong 2021, I started buying different colors of fountain pen inks and I wanted to experiment with colors. to match the journal entries. Dito nag-match siya kasi malapit. But dito I don't think so kasi yung blue is hindi nag-match dun sa kulay nito. Minsan nga rin pala, as I mentioned earlier, 'di ba, yung kulay ng entries ko ay naka-base sa photo. Minsan ginagawa ko ring basis yung kulay ng ink. Like dito, dahil yung kulay ng ink ay nasa warm side, pumili ako ng mga warm colors na stickers para maganda siyang tignan. So, ayun. This one. So, this picture of Francois Hardy. Yan. And this one, I don't really like the uh, design here. Kasi feeling ko hindi nag-match, number one, yung color ng pictures dun sa color ng ink. And then, eto, pwede pa nag-match siya sa picture, but yung color talaga ng fountain pen ink na ginamit, hindi siya nag-match dito, pati na rin sa design. Feeling ko it's um, too warm para sa colors nito kasi medyo cool sila. So, by the way, yan. This one, these are pictures from my friends. And then this one, gumupit ako ng paper. Like, parang may paper sa magazine. Tapos, dinorgan ko lang yung ibang words. Para yung words na matitira, yung mga words na gusto kong like maka-form ng sentences. So, yan. So, this one I don't like din. I don't like na the design here. I feel like dapat mas maliit siya. So, may mga times din na hindi ko gusto yung nagiging overall output ng aking entries. Lalo na kapag like years after or months after or weeks after tinitignan ko ulit yung entries ko, parang hindi siya maganda. So, ayan. May mga times na ganun din ako. So, ayan. So, dito I switched colors ng fountain pen ink. This is Alt Gold Crayon. And maganda naman yung color niya nung green. But I feel like hindi siya super like madaling makita. Masyado siyang light compared dun sa warm kanina. Ayan. This one is Poussière de Lune. I don't like the color. It's too light. So yeah. So these are the rest of the entries. I used to make this gradient design using mad liner as well and brush pens. So, ito siya. So, these are the rest of the entries. Dito bumalik ako sa black ink because I really like black ink. Feeling ko mas okay siya compared sa ibang colors kasi mas madali siyang ma-match sa mga decorations ng journal entries. Oh, there was a time I was so into like the BT21 cute pictures. So, I used to add pictures of BT21 kahit hindi ako fan ng BTS. So, ayan. So, eto, word vomit siya. Kasi, there were times when I had so much time to write. And parang gusto ko lang magsulat ng magsulat. And dahil ayoko mag-skip sa next page or mag-jump sa next page, pinagkakasya ko lang silang lahat. And then, this one, this is the last entry na ginamit ko, itong notebook na to. Kasi, kahit na meron pang space, medyo mahirap nang magsulat. Kaya, pagka ganon, nare-reach ko na yung point sa notebook na mahirap na magsulat. Nagja-jump na ako ng notebook. Iba na yung ginagamit ko. So, this is the end of this notebook. I'll be showing you naman yung continuation nito on my next video. So, thank you so much. So, if you have any questions about journal, if you want to share other tips related to journaling, feel free to leave your comment and I'm excited to read them as well. Thank you so much. Bye.